Buddy's gonna try and do this hill all by himself right now. We've been working up for this. All right, bud, let's see it. What's going on, everybody? Today we're out here at Finley Motocross track. Decided to bring the kids, get their first time on an actual motocross track. Just a track in the middle of nowhere out here. What do you think, bud?
Good.
You gonna go riding?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Explain me.
That was deep.
Yeah.
Okay, hop back on. I'll clean you off here. Okay, sweet. You gotta watch out too, because you keep hitting the GoPro on the. Okay. It's just a little bump. You're good.
Okay.
There we go. Now you can ride it down a little bit.
Why?
Big bump.
No.
You need your battery on this one, bud.
But I wanted to run with me.
Go ahead.
Okay. What?
You gotta stop letting go, buddy. You could have had that one, okay? You're doing good, though.
Okay. But Daddy, can you?
this rut. See your tires here? And then you hit this rock. And it made your tire pop out. Buddy's gonna try and do this hill all by himself right now. We've been working up for this. All right, bud, let's see it. Did you fall and now you're mad at the rocks?
What?
Did you fall and now you're getting rid of all the rocks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're mad at the rocks.
You're mad at the rocks? Yeah. Got a lot of rocks on this track here.
Maybe you fall on this block.
Yeah, that's a big one. Get rid of that one.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, let's keep going, bud.
My battery died.
Couldn't die at the worst time.
Yeah.
Guess what?
I cannot
Another
go
battery.
on the hill with my battery now. Not help.
Been pretty windy here today, but it's good to get some summer weather. Get the kids outside, get some exercise. I don't know if this counts as exercise, I guess, but me running around the track, that definitely counts as exercise. Watch the ruts, buddy. Watch the ruts. Good. Good job, bud. Falls a couple times a lap, but for being on a bike with no suspension and all these ruts from the washout, I'd say he's doing a pretty damn good job. Got the kids out here in the press box, finish line jump. Boys going for the hot dog. Good job, Barrett. Buddy, what are you thinking? Do you think we should get you a real dirt bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind do you want?
Blue.
A blue one?
I think I want a 4-wheeler.
A 4-wheeler?
Yeah.
Why a 4-wheeler?
Blue one is a Yamaha.
The blue one is a Yamaha. Good job, Eddie.
I want a blue 4-wheeler.
A blue 4-wheeler?
Yeah. That means that's a Yamaha too.
What about you, Mr. Booger Nose?
I.
Hi. Good job. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good.